Hello everyone! Today we'll have a quick video on how to change your password on a Chromebook. First you'll start off by going to password.mentorschools.org. When you do that, you'll come to a screen where you have to enter your username and then your current password. And then click Login. That will bring you to a page where you will enter your old password. And then on the next line, you'll type in the new password you want to change it to. Remember, when creating your new password, you'll have to make it at least 12 characters long, and it must contain at least 3 out of the 4 of a capital letter, a lowercase letter, a number, and a symbol. Once you typed in the new password, you'll have to type it in again on the next line below it to confirm it. Then hit Change Password, and you're done. It's a fairly straightforward process, and one you should do every so often to make sure you're being as secure as you possibly can. See you next time!